This is the heart with the scrolls, which is one of the daily freebies, and today I'm going to explain to you how I've stitched out this particular example. I have in fact used a combination of rayon, a few rayon threads here, but majority of these threads are cotton. And this is Sulky 30 weight cotton, which means normally rayon is 40, so it's a little bit thicker. And I think it gives a boldness to the design, and also you don't get that sheen. Now, to see the contrast between the cotton and the rayon, you will notice here I haven't got many 30 weight cotton threads, and I have no appropriate green, so this is actually Sulky Rayon 40 the leaves, and I also did the centres of the flowers in the rayon, because I only had one gold which I used for the blossoms. But doesn't it give the design, the embroidery, a very different look? It's a muted vintage look. I had no breaks, I didn't slow my machine down. I will clean the bobbin area because cotton does make a little bit more lint, so it can make a lot of dust in the back. And it all stitched out very nicely. I'm quite pleased. Obviously the surround, this is done in the same colour as the scrolls, and also I've updated this design. When I stitched it out, I discovered I'd failed to give a tiny satin border to the base of the heart. It doesn't go up the sides here or around the top, but there is now a satin surround underneath, so if you go and download the design again, you'll get the up-to-date version. So that's a short video for today, just explaining to you another look. So we've now stitched out one of the freebies in silk thread, and we've also stitched it out in cotton, and I think I'm pleased with the results, and I think I'll get myself a few more cotton threads because it does give a very different look. And the gold that I used for the centres here is a very dark gold, because I felt that they needed to be dark, otherwise they wouldn't show. I hope you're enjoying these designs. I love this design. I love the sort of almost oriental look of the square centres there. So until next time, remember, if you want to collect these designs and you're not a member of the Graceful Embroidery Group Forum, membership is open until October the 10th. After that, I'm afraid these designs will only be available if you purchase them. They don't have a name as yet, so we're looking for ideas for names, and I hope that they'll probably be released sometime towards the end of October. So please leave comments, tell me what you think of this cotton thread and whether you'd be prepared to use it. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. I'd be really grateful if you could do that, because it means that YouTube show my videos to more people who are interested in machine embroidery, and they get to find me here at Graceful Embroidery. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy embroidering.